Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coder. So today in this PySpark video series, we will learn how to use GroupBy function in Spark Dataframe. So first go to our workspace. So I have already created one dataframe for you guys. You can see the data here. Okay. So what is GroupBy function? So if you guys know the SQL, then you also know the group by function, how to use it in uh, SQL. Okay. So group by means basically grouping the data. So how we can do it? I think you all guys know SQL. If you guys don't know SQL, then no issue. I will make it clear here. But I very soon I will start uploading SQL videos also in my channel. So if you guys want to learn it, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I will start uploading the videos. Okay, so sequel video series will come very soon. Okay, just stay tuned on the channel. Okay, so come to the coming to our today's agenda. So here I have already created the data frame. Okay, you can see the data frame. So using group by, how we can grouping the data. So here you can see Raj is two times there. Both the Raj is different. Okay, but both the here both the Raj is different because ID is different. You can see. Okay, here Priya is two times. They both are different person. Okay, you can see the ID. It is different. One thing I have missed. So all okay. Okay. So now we want to query the data that how many uh, person in our data frame whose name is Raj. So based in this situation, how we can query the data? So we can query the data using GroupBy. So before using any function, as I have told you already, please use help function to understand the whole functionalities of that function. So I have already used it and I have watched it. Okay. So let's come to our hands-on topic. So if you want to get the count of every person, that how many Raj is there in our dataset, how many Priya is there in our dataset, you can use group by function. So how we can use df.group by, you can pass the name as your argument. Okay, name column as your argument because you want to search the name from your data set, name count from your data set. Basically कितना राज है तुम्हारे डेटा सेट में, वो चीज आपको देखना है. राज नाम का बंदा कितना कितना है, प्रिया नाम के बंदी कितना है, तो वो चीज आपको देखना है. इन दैट केस हाउ यू कैन query your data. So you can query your data like this using GroupBy. So as we used to do in our SQL also. Okay. So you will get the data now. Raj is two times, Priya is two times. Okay. If we want to sort the data, so how we can do? As we have already learned in our last video, that how we can sort the data. If you have not watched, please go to my YouTube channel and you can see how to sort the data here. And there are other videos also added. They are all in sequence. Please go and watch. Okay. So if you want to sort the data, by default it will be in ascending order. Okay, I forgot to pass the argument here. So argument will be count. You can see by default it will be in ascending order. If you want to change it to descending order, then you need to specify here, as I told it in my last video, that short wala video. Okay, please go and watch it. Okay, coming to our today's agenda. So if we want to see the person count who is from the Indore city, where the Delhi city. Okay, in that case, how we can tell? So in that case, we need to uh, pass the city as argument. Okay, so basically, uh, कोलकाता से कितना आदमी है, दिल्ली से कितना आदमी है, मुंबई से कितना आदमी है, इंदौर से कितना आदमी है, ऐसे करके आपको डेटा मिलना है. तो इन दैट केस जस्ट यूज इट लाइक now if you want to perform any kind of accreditation, then also you can perform it from here. Suppose you learn, we want to know that the maxes and minimum age. Okay, so in that case, you can, oh, okay, you can also pass this argument as a string name. Okay, and mention here application function. Okay. Then if I want to calculate the maxes, then max column name, and after that we can change the column name also using the alias function. Alias max page. You want to image. So run it. So what is the error? You have to do the alias. Okay, let me check. Okay, sorry, I forgot to input the alias. Okay, so if you can, you need to import it from PySpark function for using the alias. Okay, so you can see maximum and minimum. Okay, for Rahul, so maximum is 13, 13, minimum is also 30. So Rahul has only one data for Raj, it's 112. Okay, but here for Priya, it is 37 and 35. So Priya, 37 is the maximum, and minimum is 35. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ping me on the comment section. Okay. So so that I can clarify your doubt. Okay. So if you like my video, please like it and do share with your friends. Okay. And please subscribe our channel. Support is very much required to us. Okay. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification our upcoming videos. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.